Your brand new Tesla. Let's go. You want to drive it, but you don't know how to. Let me show you how to drive this car.
We can do better.
Your first adult purchase. Your brand new Tesla. Let's go. You want to drive it, but you don't know how to. See your life. Let me show you how to drive this car. Alright, so this is the outfit of the day now. You see? This is the DRIP, the drip. As you can see here, just throw away your key, because in this Tesla, all you need is this key card. Or if you have the app on your phone, you can just link the car to your phone, and all you have to do is walk to the car and the door opens. But today we don't have that, we only have the key card. So let me show you guys how to open the car. Simple as ABC. All you just have to do is tap it. It opens it like magic. Now you're looking like a mumu. You're like, where's my door handle? Where's my door handle? Let me show you. All you just have to do is see this big part. You push on it like this. It brings out your door handle, and then you grab it with your second hand. Boom, your door is opened. Simple as ABC. Before we go to the art museum, let me show you guys the best settings for your Tesla so you can get the best driving experience. Oh yeah, you need to set up your mirrors now. When you buy your car, the first thing you need to set up your mirrors. So you come, there's this icon here. You click on it. Then you come to controls, the number 1. Then you click on mirrors. When you click on it, this big option comes out. Then you use this scroll here to change it up, down, and this one to go left or right. And if you want to change to the other one, just put it on the right mirror and you do the same thing for it. Up, down, left, right. So that's how you change your mirror. Easy as that. Okay, so the next thing is we go to dynamics here. So this one, you can change your acceleration if you want it to be, you know, fast, or you want it to be low. The steering, if you want the steering to be heavy, if you want it to be light, if you want it to be standard, you can change it here as well. Just leave both on standard. Auto shift, put your leg on the brake like this. It will tell you where to go. Let me put the key. You put the key here. By the way, if you want to see, it's telling you, you put your key here so that you can drive. I put on my seat belt like this. Then I put my leg on the brake. See? The thing will tell me, it already puts to go forward for me. And if you want me to go backward, if there's space at the back, it will put me to go backward. Just like magic, as you can see. So for the steering wheel, as you can see, there are different buttons here. You don't even have any torque or anything. So if you want to trafficate, if you need your trafficator, your indicator for people here, this is the 2. You press this one, it turns on, the camera turns on. You press this one, the other one turns on. To turn it off, you press it again, it turns off. That's it. This one is for your volume, see? If you want radio, if you want music, it's for your volume. It's to change it to the next track. As you can see that it's changing. That's it. And this one is for your I-beam. If you press it, it will turn on your I-beam. You can change it here. If you want it on, if you want on auto, that's it there. Now this one here is for your wiper. If you hold it, it will give you water. As you can see, it will give you water. And then if you press it once, it will bring the menu and to press it. See, you press it once, you can change it. If you want it auto, if you want it 1, 2, 3, 4, you can change it there. And this one is microphone. If you want to tell it, turn on radio, let's do it. Open climate. See, it will open climate. There you go. Nice. And this is the camera. This is for camera button. You press it, you get your camera and everything. And this one is for cruise control. I don't need to press it because I'm not doing cruise control. And this one right here is for your full self-driving. That's it. You have it. Change your AC. All you just have to do is come here, press this button. You can change it. You can increase the fan speed. You can decrease it. You can change the temperature here, hot or cold. Right there, and you can change it. See, this one will change it like this, and this one too, like this. That's it. That's what you need to do. And you have heated and cold seat as well. You click on it. If you want heat, if you want cold, you can click, and you have heated steering wheel too. Not cold steering wheel, just heated steering wheel. That's it. Now that we've changed the settings and your car is in the best condition ever, let's go to the museum. Let's go. No gear selector. You see, no gear selector here, no gear selector here. How do you drive your car? First things first, there's wireless charger here. You can put your phone down there, it will charge it. Then you put on your seatbelt. When you put on your seatbelt, all you just have to do is put your leg on the brake. Then you can either go forward. This is the gear selector here. This one is to drive. This one is to reverse. And the middle one is to park. But let's say your village people decided to come for you one day and your screen is not working. Here, you can use this one as well. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, now we're at the art museum. But another another crazy thing, this thing be doing like is a week. But see now, we want to park, and I don't even feel like doing the stress. I'll just see, as you can see on the screen, the thing is saying P. All you just have to do is click on it, and you click start, and then the thing will park for you. That's all you have to do. Once you find parking spot, the thing will park for you. As you can see, hey, calm down, calm down. See you, the thing is going to back in. Okay, slowly but surely. My leg is ready to go on the brake. Watch this cow. Watch this cow. Watch this cow. Okay. See this. Bam, 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 bam. And see like that. The thing has parked for you. Easy as that. Alright, so we're at the art museum. Chilling. Special. It's not IUD. I guess she's naked and they sewed pins on it. I've never seen a bullet before.
They put a line here, but I can still bend.
Please, man, you're a rebel. You're a rebel, man.
I laugh under pressure.
Bro, I swear to God, this place is like, there's a lot of things. I've gotten my inspiration. I've gotten it. I'm good, I'm chilling, I've gotten my inspiration. My head is shaking, it's bubbling because I've got the inspiration. See this one. See this now, see this place. See this. We're going to be leaving now. We're going back to the car so I can show you more features about your new Tesla.
Sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that.
Okay, let's say now you are tired now, you just want to sit down, enjoy, you don't really want to do too much things. All you just have to, and you want to use the self-driving, all you just have to do is come to your settings here, autopilot, make sure full self-driving is on. That's what you need, full self-driving. Then what you just have to do is come back here, then press navigation, put it, I'll go to Tesla, we're going back to the dealership. Then you press it, boom, boom. When you press it, you press this one. Then you're calculating. Then after that, wear your seatbelt. Put your seatbelt like this. Then when your seatbelt is done, put your leg on the brake. Let it turn the wheel. Then after that, just press this button. You hear something like boom, boom, like this. Mugbil. I put in drive. One sec. We start driving. Oh, still driving, not yet. Almost. We're going to use it almost. It has taken over. See? Once you hear that boom, boom, that means that the thing has already taken over. So now all you just have to do is focus and hope that nothing bad will happen. That's the thing. That's the next. Yeah. Can it go like this? Give me way. It cannot go like Mogbe. See that? See, this is why you have to pay attention when you're using full self-driving. The thing cannot go like this. So that's something that you have to see. You have to just be careful, just in case the thing did not know what it's doing. Okay. And then we press it again. Mogbe, I took over. I'm scared for my life. Okay, this is not want to go. Okay. This is me slowly. Okay, everybody ready? I've put it. The thing is driving for us now. It's driving for us. Almost. Slowly but surely. See, the thing is even gonna turn. It's gonna do everything for us. Everything! We're just waiting for our turn now. You see? But just put your eye. See, this camera is watching what you're doing. Before, in the Tesla, you have to be shaking the wheel. But now, in the new ones, the camera will just be paying attention to you, making sure you are looking at the road. If you're not looking at the road, the camera will detect it and it will tell you, yeah, take the car, I'm not driving again. That's it. But right now, we're chilling, everything is good. You get. Oh yeah, now we're just waiting for our turn now. We're waiting for the light to change. The light doesn't want to change, okay. Oh yeah, change. It's green. See, let's see. This person is turning, I'm turning. Okay. It knew what to do. Okay. Now we are straight. It's like sometimes my heart is going bam bam. So we're just going straight now. Okay. This is how we should go straight. Is that not where we went to the last time? Or was it this one? Was it that place or this place? This next one. Okay, I'll take over then. I'll take over because I need to turn here. So that's all you have to know about driving your new Tesla. I'll see you guys on the next one. It's be your boy AB No Limit. Peace and out.